As the heavy monsoon clouds disappears from the skies, the beautiful white cotton candy clouds float against the clear deep blue sky, and the rhythmic beats of dhak fills the air to rejuvenate your soul. You know that the much awaited festival of season Durga Puja is round the corner. Bengalis worship goddess Durga in the Bengali month of Ashwin, that is around September and October, which is also known as Sharatkal in Bengal. The history of Durga Puja dates back to the 14th century manuscripts, where the first mention of the goddess is believed to be found. Mentions of goddess Durga is also found in the Vedic literature, as well as the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, wherein Sri Ramachandra, before his war with Ravana, and Arjuna and Yudhishthir prior to the Kurukshetra war, are believed to have worshipped the goddess. Worship of goddess Durga began post-medieval era during the Sultanate period in Bengal, and later it spread to Assam, Orissa, Bihar, and other adjoining states. King Surat was the king of Bolipur, present-day Bolpur. He has been considered as the first worshipper of goddess Durga. King Surat lost all his fortune, and he met in coincidence with a Bengali businessman called Samadhi, who too experienced the same fate. They came in contact with a hermit named Medhas Muni, who advised them to worship goddess Durga to bring back their lost fortune. Thus originated the first Durga Puja in Bengal at Medhas Muni's ashram in Gor Jangal region, presently Durgapur of West Bengal. In the 16th century Bengal, zamindars or landlords in Malda and Dinajpur are believed to have been the pioneers of grand celebrations associated with the Durga Puja. Some other historical sources also mention Bhavananda Mazumdar from Nadia or Raja Kangshanarayan of Tahirpur as being the first to have introduced Durga Puja or Sharodiya in Bengal. Way back in 1707, Nawab Nazim of Murshidabad, Murshid Kuli Khan, encouraged Hindu zamindars like Lakshmikanta Majumdar to organize Durga Puja with much grandeur in West Bengal. Some of these Bonidibari Pujo continue to remain amongst the most sought after heritage pujas of Kolkata. In the late 18th century, the first so-called Barowari Puja was organized when 12 friends from Guptipara area came together to arrange the festivities in 1790. Raja Horinath of Kashim Bazar is also revered for hosting the Barowari Puja in 1832. However, by this time, the term Barowari had evolved to represent collective efforts. The Sarvajanin or community puja meant for all gradually became a practice by 1910. Organized by Sanatan Dharmotsohini Sabha in Bagbazar, the first Sarvajanin Puja had a humongous participation from people of various sections of the society. Today, the love for the eternal goddess of power has led to Sarvajanin Puja everywhere. People, not just in Bengal and in India, but across the globe, share their happiness, excitement, and devotion. Pandals or makeshift temples are being built, and goddess Durga, along with her four children, Kartik, Ganesh, Lakshmi, and Saraswati, are worshipped for the last 5 days of the 10-day long festival of enthusiasm. On the 10th day of the festival, Married women greet the goddess with vermilion and bid her farewell on her way back to her abode in the Himalayas. Idols of goddess Durga are immersed in the rivers or nearby water bodies, and with a heavy heart, Bengalis bid adieu to their beloved goddess Durga, saying, "Asche bochor abar hobe," meaning, next year we will welcome Mother Durga once again. If you have liked this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more similar upcoming contents.